And welcome back to another BobBlast. Hi, I'm Bob Burridge, and this one is all about just tape. You know, we artists, we use tape for all kinds of reasons. Some of us use it as a frisket. Some of us use it just to put stuff up on the wall or to hold our paintings down on a board. I actually use it for this effect, which I put tape down on the watercolor paper, do the painting, take the tape off, and now I have a nice clean straight edge. It's kind of like a pseudo matte, but I think it's a real nice professional presentation, and now I know where the painting ends. Now these are just some of my warm-ups. Let me show you over here how I start. I basically take what we all know as FrogTape. You get it at the hardware store. It's a real thin painter's tape, usually house painter's tapes. But I like to use it because I can create a nice, strong, clean edge around the paper. Tape it down, do my painting, tear it off, and then this is a nice clean edge. I can do so many things with this tape. Now, if you use the green FrogTape, that was the yellow FrogTape, by the way, which is perfect for us. The green FrogTape is for multi-surfaces. So anything, you can put it on wood, you can put it on, but you're not gonna get a really clean edge necessarily. All right, so now we know which tape to use. So I love working this way because it creates kind of a, as I say, like a print, a mono print. And I'll do 6 or 7 of them every morning just to warm up and get it going. And at the end of the day, I have all these wonderful images that have a really strong, punchy, impactful graphic design. I was looking at my dental x-rays, and I said, well, that would be a kind of a great painting. So these reminded me of those my own dental x-rays. So let's get going. At least I have a theme. I'm going to show you how I do it. So here are the 2 frog tapes. There's the green. No, no, no. You want this one, the yellow one, okay? So here we are, starting a painting. This is watercolor paper, 300-pound Fabriano paper, and it's hot press, which means it's smooth. And that's the image I want. So here's the tape. And I'm thinking about the border. So everything past that yellow line, everything past here and here will be part of the border. There. So we have a wider border down here, and these 3 are the same borders. Kind of close, all right? What I have here is also a number 11 X-Acto blade in case I need it for cutting. A big wide brush. This is my Holbein acrylic paint. This happens to be lamp black. Any black will work. I have my paper towels and my water bucket nearby. Now I'm just going to do a kind of a graphic piece. Let's see what happens. Really, the emphasis here is about the border. I think I'll get a gray effect in here too. It doesn't always have to be super black. I like this gray effect. Hard edges, soft edges. But I'm really just showing you in this demo about how nice of an edge you can get using this technique. All right, pretty strong, pretty graphic. By the way, you can get this tape to be even wider. That way you can have all of this covered up. And it's pretty simple, straightforward. I'll play with this way and do all kinds of different things, maybe eventually add color. But right now it's a graphic piece. I wanted to show you how clean the lines are here. And here's the important part. When you peel it back, look what I'm doing. You peel it back on itself. Slowly. I can't emphasize that enough. Slowly. Here we go. Look at that. A nice clean edge. There we go. It almost has that monochromatic, like a print quality to it, which I happen to like prints. Look at that. Look at that line. It's just beautiful, isn't it? Make sure your hands are clean. Here we go. Look at that. Absolutely stunning. Look how clean that is. Now you know the difference to all those different tapes. And I'm ready to go. Put it in a clear mat. It's ready to go to the galleries. Isn't this fun? So do more graphic pieces at first and just spend a week just doing black and whites and gray. You'll have a great time. I hope this tape demo kind of explains a lot of those questions you've been asking about tape. And I'm going to go back into my studio and do a whole lot more. See you on the next BobBlast.